Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your man Machera_KE. This is another great evening that I'm back to my channel. I'm very much pleased and I'm very happy to be back, and I'm very much hopeful that you are doing well. God has taken good care of you, and of course He has taken good care of me. That's why I'm back in this my YouTube channel. Guys, it's my prayer that whenever you watch coming first, whenever you are coming first time, perhaps you are the first time you are coming to watch my video, it's my prayer that you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can help me grow. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you that we are progressing on well. The year has started well. We are inside now January. We are acclimatizing well, we are adapting well, and we thank God for everything. Personally, thank God for everything. My family is doing well, and it's my prayer and hope that you too are doing well, because when you are doing well and I'm doing well, we say thank you God. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, today let's move direct into today's business. I really want to take this opportunity to compliment good things that are happening within the village. Let me take this opportunity to sincerely congratulate those people who are achieving great things, those people who are doing great things to the community. May God bless you. Because as you know, when your neighbor is doing well, when your brother is doing well, when your sister is doing well, indirectly you are doing well. Because the good things they do, they may not be of benefit today, but of course in one way or the other, they are benefiting us. When I do well and you do well, we can help one another. When I'm having problems, you can help me. When you have problems, I can help you. But when only one person is progressing well, realize that it's not the best thing in any community or in any society. So guys, let me just take this opportunity to first of all congratulate my friend Gitiriba for the strides that he is making. As you can see, God has blessed him well, and in this 2025, as you can see, he's getting into his new home. This is a great thing. This is a great thing, and this is a great stride that the YouTube community and the YouTube is doing to our community here. And this is all thanks to Ayamarwa for mentoring and helping Gitiriba. When I flash back, some 2 years ago, this guy was a driver, border driver, and through Marwa and his hard work, as you can see, he's really blessed today. He's getting into his own built a very beautiful home. He's equipping it in a very good way, and it is good to compliment good things. It is good to say that it's good that we say congratulations. So I take this opportunity to say congratulations to you, Mr. Gitiriba, for the strides that you've made, and remember to thank God, and remember to respect and appreciate those people who help you. Don't be like those other people who, once they have been helped, they turn against those people who have helped them. Just remain steadfast, do your work, and I want to believe that God will bless you even more abundantly. Yes, that is it for Mr. Gitiriba, for the good stride that you've made. And another compliment is to my sister Priska. I really want to say it from the inner part of my heart that I really congratulate you for the strides that you're making, and I really thank from the bottom of my heart Team Marwa for the effort and for the support that they have given you up to the strides you've made. I know it has taken you a lot. You've really worked hard. It is not something that is just coming on a silver platter. You've really worked hard for it. You've been respectful. You've been steadfast. And let me take this opportunity to really congratulate you, because as I can see, you are now equipping your house. Very soon you'll be getting in. It is a dream come true, because some 2-3 years ago, no one could even have imagined that God could have opened doors to the extent that He has opened the doors. So from the inner part of my heart, I really want to say I really want to congratulate you. I really want to thank those people who are supporting you. I really want to thank everybody. Thank you everybody who is supporting people in my community who is supporting my sister Priska for the strides that she is making. And I want to advise you, my sister, that as you are progressing on well, just keep that good heart that you have, keep helping other people, and always respect those people who have enabled you to reach and to be where you are. Don't be among those people who, instead of going back to say thank you, instead they throw mud at those people who have helped them. And I want to believe that God will keep on opening your doors, and the more and the more and the more is to come. Particularly this year 2025, I want to prophesy that more and more blessings are yet to come. And I really want to thank those people who are behind these your blessings. Also, to our brother, it's Gintu. However much negative you are, however much unappreciative you are to those people who have helped you, but let me take this opportunity to say that it is, as I can see, you are now soon putting up your own house. You are demolishing the mud old house. You are putting up a structure, which is good. But as you are doing this, remember those people who helped you to reach these strides. For you to receive more blessings, remember them and be appreciative. Don't be attacking them. Be appreciative, remember them, and know that it is these people who gave you the insight of doing what you have done. Even though you have equally worked hard to be where you are, but there is someone who gave you the light. There is someone who guided you to be where you are. Always be respectful. Don't be abusive. Don't be abusive, particularly to those people who have helped you be where you are. Because as a matter of fact, without these people who occasionally do abuse, you do downgrade, without them, right now, you could not be demolishing that motherboard house, but instead you could even be adding more mud on it so that it can be strong for you to continue living it. So it is my sincere prayer that while God is opening doors for you, always be respectful to those people who have guided you to be where you are. To my brother, young brother, to my friend in the village here, the brother to Marwa, David Jr., let me take this opportunity to really thank you. And may God bless you, because as I can see from your previous videos, I saw you when you donated some oil to that mama. That mama, I can tell you the dance that she did. It's a big blessing. Big blessings are coming on your way. So keep helping them. That young boy whom you dressed, I'm telling you, you dressed that young man on behalf of God himself. And I want to assure you that nothing cannot go for free. God is there, and God will always open your ways. God will always open and bring more blessings to you. So, ladies and gentlemen, good things are happening. Good things are happening, even though bad things are also happening. But I want to tell those people who are spreading hatred in the name of reaction, who are burning in their heart because of other people's success, I want to advise you that just keep trying, keep working hard. One day God will open your ways, but you cannot have hatred and expect blessings. Make your heart light. Don't be too heavy to others, and it's my belief that once you do that, God will bless you. I've been undergoing a number of challenges. I've lost very many subscribers from my channel, and I know it's because of the position that I've taken. But as I said earlier, I don't regret taking such position. Neither do I regret losing subscribers because of that kind of a position, because it is free for anybody to subscribe to the ideologies and to the ideologies that he or she wishes. So to my other people, I know that as I'm losing from this other side, God will bless me and I'll get them I'll get more and more from the other side. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this my video for the first time, know that those are some of the challenges I'm going through. May you kindly help me. May you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can keep growing, so that I can add more and more people in my channel. Comment, show me where I'm not getting it right, so that I can get it right, so that we can keep moving together. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much. Keep watching my videos. I'll keep giving you more and more information and more knowledge and education about our village and more other things that are happening. Otherwise, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you very much. May God bless you. May God bless you once again, and may God fill your basket with all that you need. Thank you. Have a nice time.